Hi everyone! Have you ever been writing Haskell code and suddenly GHC throws a parse error on input in? It can be confusing. This error is quite common for beginners. Let's break down why it happens and how you can fix it quickly. Understanding this error will make your Haskell journey smoother. First, let's understand what the in keyword does in Haskell. The in keyword is always part of a let in expression. It marks the end of the local variable definitions and the beginning of the expression where those variables are used. Think of it like this. Let introduces some bindings, and in tells Haskell, okay, these are my definitions, now use them in this following expression. The in keyword absolutely requires a let keyword to precede it within the same lexical scope. This is the fundamental rule. One common reason for this parse error is simply forgetting the let keyword. You might write something like x equals 5 and x plus 1. Here, GHC sees in but there's no let before it. It doesn't know what to do with in that context. The fix is straightforward, just add let before your variable definitions, like let x equals 5 and x plus 1. This makes the let in expression complete and valid. Another frequent case happens within do blocks. In a do block, you can define local variables using let without an in. For example, do let x equals 5, print x. In this case, x is available for the rest of the do block. Sometimes, people get confused and try to add an in after a let in a do block where it's not needed or is syntactically incorrect, leading to the error. If you do want a let in expression inside a do block, it needs to be a complete expression itself, often nested. For instance, do print let x equals 5 and x plus 1. Here, the let in is part of the argument to print. A third scenario involves mixing up let in with where clauses. Where clauses are used to define local helpers for a function and do not use the in keyword. You might write my function x equals result where result equals x2. If you mistakenly try to put in after where definitions, you'll get the parse error. Remember, where is for function level definitions, let in is for expression level definitions. To summarize how to fix this error. 1. Check for a missing let. Is there a let keyword immediately before your variable definitions that lead to the in? If not, add it. 2. Review your scope and indentation. Ensure that your let variable bindings and in are all correctly aligned and within the expected scope. Incorrect indentation can sometimes trick GHC into thinking in is out of place. 3. Consider do blocks. If you are inside a do block, remember that let without in defines variables for the rest of the block. If you need a local expression, wrap it in parentheses or ensure that let in forms a complete sub-expression. 4. Distinguish from where. If you're defining helper functions for a top-level function, you probably want a where clause, which never uses in. The parse error on input in is a sign that Haskell expects a let but doesn't find it, or finds in an unexpected context. By understanding the role of let in expressions and their specific syntax, you can quickly identify and fix this common issue. Keep practicing, and these errors will become second nature to debug. Thanks for watching. I hope this explanation helps you conquer that pesky parse error. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Haskell tips and tricks. Your support helps the channel grow. See you next time.